Welcome to this gorgeous home, located on a quiet, dead-end street in a highly sought-after Southwest Portland neighborhood. Built in 1937 and filled with period charm, it's ideally situated for spectacular panoramic views of the Willamette River, Mount St. Helens, and Mount Hood. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with large picture windows throughout for taking in the views. You can relax by the fireplace or entertain in the sizable dining room. It opens to the large kitchen with a butcher block island and plenty of natural light. Dine in the breakfast nook, surrounded by amazing views. Or entertain on the deck and watch the 4th of July fireworks or the Christmas boats each year. On the upper level, unwind in the spacious master suite, where you can wake up to peaceful views. It's well appointed with its own full bath. Just down the hall, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and another full bath. A huge basement with a separate entrance is perfect for multi-generational living. It's close to OHSU Hospital, shops, restaurants, parks, and trails. Plus, it's just minutes to downtown Portland. A beautiful home with exceptional views. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Diana Harrell with Premier Property Group at 503-890-2738.